and he could play his guitar just like ringing a bell. Hey! Hello and welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. And it is beautiful today. We actually have sunshine in San Diego. I know that may sound strange to some of you out there in colder climes, but we have had such a rainy year that sunny days, not taking them for granted like we used to. But what we're going to do in this video, I want you to join me and I want you to have a good time, is we're going to do a little unboxing and a first try-on of a new e-mountain bike helmet. By the way, thanks to Chuck Berry for that song, Bell, which leads us into the subject of Bell helmets. I grew up in Paramount, Bellflower, California, which was literally right around the corner from Bell, California, where Bell helmets started out. Now, Bell started out as your typical speed shop kind of product and supplied to the Dry Lakes racers, the flat track racers, and the hot rodders of the era for many years. So, and I was, at one time, we took a tour and we actually toured the Ferrari factory in Italy, and I was very proud to see that Bell helmets, where there were several of them on display there from some of their racing heroes over the years. Now they've gone on to much better and greater things, and I don't know their ownership structure now. But I do know that I am a fanboy of their products, even though they've never sent me a single thing. And what you're about to see today, I paid for. This is not a product placement type of a deal. But if you did want to send me a helmet, I'm right here at Wistful Vistas. So what we're going to do is we're going to step forward in time a little bit. By the way, this is my Bell racing helmet from the 1970s. It's got some battle scars on it. I wore this helmet while I was racing Formula B cars, a Formula B Chevron, back in the 1970s. And I don't know why I decided to keep it, but I did. And by the way, that paint job is by yours truly. It mimics the paint job on Johnny Rutherford's old helmet. But let's talk about the e-mountain bike. Now, I like things on 2 wheels, like things on 4 wheels. Probably would like things on 3 wheels, but we won't go there right now. In any case, I've been using this e-mountain bike by Cube for about 3 years now. Its predecessor, about 3 or 4 years ago, I took a tumble down the hill, Death Mountain. You can look at that video if you want. And ended up needing some stitches and a little clean out of some rocks and things in various parts. And literally, I was wearing a half helmet. Literally, my face hit the dirt, and I actually ate dirt and a couple of rocks. So one of the first things I did when I got up and looked around and wondered what happened is I had to spit out a little dirt and rocks. Not a great situation. So based on that experience, I decided when I was going to go off-road on the Cube that I would use an e-mountain bike helmet. Let me show you what I've been using. So I've been using this Amazon special. It's by a company called Podium, and it's worked quite well over time. Has some stickers I put on it, MV Agusta and Aprilia and Ducati. I've owned all 3 of those machines, by the way. And it's worked rather well. It's got some nice ventilation and things going on. And there's really no need to change it, but Bell Helmets recently had a great sale, and I was able to purchase one of their later releases for about $70. Just a real bargain. Let me get it for you. Ta-da! And right out of the box, I think you're going to agree that this is a pretty cool looking helmet. And it's got their latest technology in it. And as I say, quite a bargain. Now what's important about these is it has that front face shield that's going to keep me, hopefully I won't take that big of a tumble again, but it's going to keep me from eating dirt and rocks. Unless you'd like to see that happen. I know there's people out there that like that kind of stuff. So let's try it on here on camera. Get my unruly hair, what little I have left, out of the way, and put her on. Nice and snug like a helmet ought to be. By the way, you should wear your helmets so that they're not far off your eyebrows there. Let's see if I can put it on. Where is this side of the attachment? Oh, it's popped way up inside the helmet. Should we leave that in the video, folks? Let's show you everything. Okay, it's got a typical for e-mountain bike anyway, or for bikes anyway, typical kind of a snap on there. Nice and snug. Boy, I can't wait to try it out. So, what do you think? Let me do a 360 spin. What do you think? As you're looking at this, are you thinking, Gary, what a great helmet? As I hope you are. Anyway, I take a large typically. This is a little tighter fit. It's a tighter fit than that earlier e-mountain bike that I had. So it'll wear in with some use. And again, this thing will keep me safe. So 2 thumbs up. We're going to take it out on the road and give it a try. We'll do that in a separate video. I just wanted to share with you my history with Bell helmets and what prompted me to go to the extra expense. Quite a bargain, quite a bargain. Okay, we'll see you out there. Hope you're going to have a great day, week, month, whatever, no matter where you're located. Talk to you later.